All right, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You might be wondering why we're lying on the floor, but we're here because we know that it's the holiday season and you're going to be doing a lot of standing, especially in your kitchen. So we are helping you out. Now, 3 years ago, we received these mats. Are they good, Zen?
Yeah, they are very comfortable.
My husband swears by them. He says it's the best thing we've received. I did not purchase these. I got these
to review
in collaboration with the company. But guys, this is 3 years later and they're still standing. So I'm going to show you guys how we clean them. And then I'm going to tell you why you need them, especially this holiday season. So currently this is what our rugs are looking like. I tell you heavy traffic because we do cook in this house maybe 90% of the time. But if you're looking for a good anti-fatigue rug, this is going to be it. I found it also on Amazon, link in the description box below. So first, to clean them, you're going to use any soap of your choice, just soap, water, rag, or whatever it is that you use to clean. And anyone can clean these, even a little child, because currently Zone is the one cleaning and I'm the one recording. So you simply get your soap water or whatever you use to disinfect and you wipe the rugs off. That is it. We know that lives get busy and, you know, people don't want to be doing a lot. But this, if you are planning on standing, whether during the holiday season or just in general in your kitchen, this is going to be an excellent addition. Low maintenance. You have to have this. If you have wipes that you use, I have these as go-to for cleaning. Something spills, and this is going to be a very quick way to clean up that mess. Watch. There are multiple brands of anti-fatigue mats over here and they could be really good, but this is the one that we've experienced. I got this a while ago and so I'm recommending it because it's really good. This might not be the color you want. Just search for the color that you guys would like. It's currently going for $32 on here. If you're looking for something that's going to cushion your feet for sure, standing for a long time doing your cooking, especially if you've had a long day, this is going to be it to relieve your pain. It's non-slip. The only drawback that I have is that it only comes in 2 pieces, but really you spend most of your time in front of the stove and in front of your sink, not necessarily the fridge, but it would be nice to have it paired. So you may have to just get 2 altogether. I interject to give a special shout out to my sister-in-law Julian from the channel Julian+4. If you are looking for a supportive person to support your channel as a content creator, if you watch her, she'll definitely be coming back. Just a supportive individual in general. Happy birthday, sis. Thank you for always being so supportive and for showing what true perseverance look like. May this year bring you endless joy, success, and blessings. Why? Because you deserve it all. Love you so much. So do we recommend these rugs?
Definitely.
If you're looking for a good PVC rug that will not only benefit your health, but last you a very long time, I'll be linking in the description box below.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.